Welcome. In this video I will show you the loudest speaker level of iPhone 13 mini. And I will measure the sound level with a Decibel Meter. The device will be set to the maximum volume mode, and that's what I'm going to do right now. As you can see right now, the maximum mode is activated, and it means that the values on the display will change only when the device registers a higher volume level than the previous one. And if you want to check the different volume of other devices, you can do it on our website, and the link you will find in the description of this video. So let's start the test. Okay, so as you can see, iPhone 13 mini reached 109.2 decibels. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.